Oops. Well, good morning there, everybody. I have a treat for you. A vacuum cleaner review. You wanted me to do a review on a brand of vacuum cleaner, so I'm pretty sure you guys remember from one of my previous videos, specifically This Is What You Breathe, and I also used this in a vacuum battle video. It is a Panasonic cord reel, electric dirt sensor, HEPA filter, 7-stage filtration, easy bare floor. Now, my review for this machine says that it is okay. It has a handy cord rewinder. It is easy to get to the bag and easy to change the bag. This one is dirty. This is the type U6. That's no good. Well, the reason this thing is so dirty, in case you're wondering, is because it was used for janitorial. This is a average use household vacuum cleaner, not for janitorial use. And apparently what happened was the bag got blown up, and oops, I was supposed to close like that. It was used very heavily, so that's why it was so dirty when you saw it last. Okay, moving on. For suction, it also has this handy feature where you can turn off the brush roll. Which I have done. It has better than average suction. It also has another handy feature on it. You see that right there? Well, it's got a little rubber gasket in it. If you happen to clog up your machine one way or the other, instead of it running really, really, really high, that is a auxiliary suction right there. It opens up and it allows the air to flow straight into the machine from the back. You can also unplug it here. Well, there we go. This allows you access to the inside of the hose, and this here just goes straight into the bag. So if you've got a plug or a clog, it's easily accessible. So my review today for the Panasonic vacuum cleaner is good. It gets a good review. It has good suction, has handy features. It doesn't come with any tools that I can see, or know where to put them. How about for the brush roll? Now I've already removed the screws, so you can see. Okay, we have a wooden brush roll all the way through with good stiff bristles. This really works your carpet real good. It has an extra long belt that says assemble this side up. Has a headlight feature, but at the moment it doesn't have a headlight in it because it's burned out. Anyways, so the brush roll is easy to remove. It has good suction. The cord rewinds itself when you push a little button. So that's my review for the Panasonic vacuum cleaner. If you find yourself fortunate enough to own one of these machines, keep it and maintain it well, and it will serve your household for many years. Thanks for watching.